I'm going to do a quick review on this power bank for phones, where you can charge other devices, but I got it for my phone, especially like when I go on trips or anything. That way my phone won't die, but it's really easy to use. See on the side there's a button here. You just yeah, it's showing 77%. It's really easy to use. You got on this end here, plug it in, charge it up. Got different charge just cords here for whatever kind of phone you have. I got an older iPhone, so it'll be this one here. But my wife has a newer iPhone, so I think it uses this one here. So so you'll be able to use on either one you want, or actually you could charge both at the same time if you want to. Probably won't charge quite as fast. I hadn't tried it with both of them yet, but charge two different iPhones at one time. But I'll probably be just charging one at a time. But it's a power bank for any kind of electronic devices, but I'll be using mine for my iPhone. If you're looking for a good one, check it out. It's right here, keep you from having your phone dying.